Senator Chis Escudero may pasaring kay Speaker Martin Romualdez at kay Saldico matapos mapalitan siya bilang Senate President. Teka lang. Si Speaker Martin Romualdez ang nabanggit kanina sa Blue Ribbon Committee ni Senador Rodante Marcoleta, pero ang napalitan itong Senate President Chis Escudero. Ayon nga dito kay Senator Bato de la Rosa sa post niya, ang korupsyon sa Ghost Flood Control Projects ay nasa House of Representatives ayon sa investigasyon ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, pero bakit ang Senate President ang pinalitan? Yan lang naman ay ating mga katanungan ng karamihan. Bakit? O ito, pakinggan po natin si Senador Chis Escudero. Itong video.
Move that we recognize the distinguished former Senate President, Senator Chis Escudero, to make a manifestation, Mr. President.
The former Senate President, Senator Chis Escudero, is hereby recognized for a manifestation.
Thank you, Majority Leader. Thank you, Mr. Senate President. Nais ko lamang po magbigay ng maikling manifestasyon. Nais ko pong magpasalamat sa mga kapwa ko miyembro ng Senado na nagbigay po ng tiwala sa akin sa 19th at saka 20th Congress. Nais ko din po magpasalamat sa mga opisyal at kawani ng Senado. Karangalan ko po na pagsilbihan kayo at manilbihan kasama kayo nitong nagdaang taon. I serve at the pleasure, Mr. President, of the majority and understand and respect the decision of the majority of my colleagues. I hold no grudges. I hold no ill feelings. I congratulate Senator Vicente Tito Soto III on his election as Senate President, and I wish you well, Mr. Senate President. Nandito lamang po ako bilang ordinaryong miyembro para pagsilbihan at paglingkuran kayo sa anumang kapasidad na pwede at kaya ko bilang bahagi ng Senadong ito. During my tenure, Mr. President, the Senate did not shy away from confronting the difficult questions facing our nation. We passed a record number of laws that helped uplift the lives of our countrymen. We conducted hearings that unearthed corruption on a scale rarely seen before. And in doing so, we remind the public that accountability is not a mere empty rhetoric, but a duty that we must uphold. Maski na paano, sa ilalim po ng aking panunungkulan at sa pangunguna ni Congressman Rodante Marcoleta, may ilang bagay po tayong nakamit at nagawa. Nakapagsalita na ng bombo kaninang umaga si Congressman Toby Chanco at nabanggit lahat ng nais niyang sabihin hindi nasabi sa kabilang kamera. Nasabi na rin po, Ginoong Pangulo, ang the name that cannot be mentioned, ang pangalan ni Speaker Martin Romualdez at Congressman Zaldico sa pamamagitan ng paghihiring kanina pong hapon. And as a final act earlier, Mr. President, I signed upon the request of Congressman Marcoleta the contempt order of Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez, putting him under detention already here in the Senate. Mr. President, I am proud of what the Senate has accomplished together, and I trust that the spirit of transparency and courage that have been displayed by this chamber will be sustained. Sana po, mapagpatuloy natin to. Let justice and the rule of law be done and followed, though the heavens may fall. Thank you again, Mr. President, and please accept once again my warmest congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Senate President.
Thank you very much, and we thank the distinguished former Senate President, Senator Chis Escudero, for his magnanimity and the work that he has, the service that he has given the Senate and the Filipino people. Thank you, Mr. Senator.
Gentleman from San Juan and Zambales is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, it is a rare privilege to be elected Senate President pro temp 4 times. This reflects the trust and confidence my colleagues have bestowed upon me as the second highest ranking official of this august chamber. As I step down from my role as Senate President pro tempore, I do so with a heart full of gratitude. And let me take this opportunity to thank you, my dear colleagues, for electing me not once, but twice, the 19th Congress and again in the present 20th Congress. Serving in this capacity has been one of the greatest honors of my public life, and I am deeply humbled by the opportunity to have worked alongside each of you in advancing the interests of our people. It is likewise an honor to serve under the leadership of Senator Francis Escudero. I have deep respect and great admiration for this person, whom I have had the privilege of working with in previous Congresses. I have seen up close his keen intellect, calm demeanor, and unwavering dedication to public service. He is a man of few words, but when he speaks, his words carry weight, grounded in solid legal reasoning, measured thought, and clear principles. And during his tenure, the Senate functioned not just as a legislative body, but as a protector of democratic institutions, a champion of truth, and a venue for dignified debate on important issues. Isang malaking karangalan na hindi lamang makatrabaho, kundi maging katuwang ng isang Francis Escudero sa kanyang pamumuno dito sa Senado. And today, we mark a new chapter in the Senate. I extend my warmest congratulations to now Senate President Vicente Soto as our new Senate President. His leadership, experience, and steady hand will surely guide us through the challenges ahead. Leadership may shift, but our shared commitment to the Filipino people remains steadfast. And as I return to the ranks, I do so with renewed energy and the same resolve to serve, legislate, and uphold the values that bind us as one Senate. Whether I hold the position of Senate President Pro Temp or not, I am ready to lead when needed, and I will always work behind the scenes to keep this institution running with integrity and purpose. Lastly, I would also like to congratulate my successor, Senate President Pro Temp, Senator Ping Lacson. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Jingo Estrada.
Senator Joel. Yeah. Yes, Mr. President, we'd like to recognize my distinguished Majority Floor Leader in the 19th Congress and also the distinguished Majority Floor Leader of the 20th Congress, no other than my dear friend, former Senate Majority Leader Joel Villanueva. Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you to our Majority Leader. Very short manifestation, Mr. President. Indeed, it's a great honor and privilege, karangalang napakalaki bilang isang anak ng isang Bulakenyo na makapaglingkod bilang inyong Majority Leader dito sa Senado. Karangalan po natin makapaglingkod under the leadership of then Senate President Mig Zubiri, then Senate President Chis Escudero, na talagang nagtiwala din po sa atin. Muli, maraming salamat sa ating mga kasamahan dito sa Senado for all your trust and confidence to this representation. Lagi pong napakalaking karangalan yung mabigyan ng posisyon, lalo na sa liderato ng Senado, na paglingkuran ang ating Diyos at ang ating bayan, at lalong-lalo na po ang mahal na mahal nating institusyon. Kanina po kasama po ako with Your Honor, the presiding officer and Senate President and the Majority Leader doon sa meeting natin kanina for this very smooth transition. At isa lamang po yung ating napagkasunduan, lahat po tayo may isang common denominator. At yun ay protektahan at siguruhin na ang institusyon na pinakamamahal natin ay laging mas mataas yung ating pagtingin na paglilingkod. Kaya sabi po nung Romans 8:28, all things work together for good for those who love the Lord. At sinasalamin po yan ng mga kasamahan natin dito sa bulwagan ito. At nais kong magwakas by saying, Mr. President, that I am also now available to be part of the opposition, the minority, and that yung kagaya ng binanggit ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, na tayo po bilang mga lingkod bayan, nais nating makipagtulungan kahit kanino man kung ito po ay sa direksyon na pagbibigay linaw, pagbibigay tamang direksyon sa ating mga institusyon, sa ating mga government agencies, higit sa lahat in promoting truth, justice, and righteousness. Sabi po dun sa Philippians 3:14, we continue to press on toward the goal to win the prize of what God has prepared for all of us. Kaya muli, congratulations sa ating Senate President Tito Soto sa bagong liderato ng Senado. Kami po ay magiging kakatuwang ninyo sa paglilingkod sa ating Diyos at sa bayan. At gaya nung huling sinabi ko nung natapos po yung aking pagiging majority leader, sinabi ko po, the greater cause outweighs my personal interest. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po kayo.
Ang masasabi ko lang dyan, eat bulaga. May bago na kasi tayong Senate President. Si Soto na. Pero para sa akin naman, kailangan talagang palitan itong si Senate President Chis Escudero dahil nasama yung pangalan niya pagdating doon sa insertion sa BICAM. Di pa natin alam kung totoo. Pero ang pinalit kasi, si Soto. Kaya maraming nag-react dyan. Eat bulaga na naman. At sana, eto ang malala dyan, sana ay hindi palitan si Senador Rodante Marcoleta dyan sa Blue Ribbon Committee. May mga bulong-bulungan kung sino yung ipapalit sa kanya. Pero wag naman sana kung talagang gusto nyo magtuloy-tuloy ang hearing na yan, at alam ko sa Martes pa yata, o may schedule yan, kung gusto talaga natin na magkabistuhan, kasi ang nabanggit dyan ng mga pangalan sa Blue Ribbon Committee, Martin Romualdez, Saldico, at iba pang mga congressman. Kasi kung hindi ituloy-tuloy yan, paano kung yung mga congressman na nabanggit dyan ay gustong magpaliwanag? Di ba? Kasi palibalita natin, may iba dyan na kasuhan itong Diskaya dahil sinama yung pangalan nila. Magkaalaman naman yan. Itong ginawa kasi sa Senado, maraming naguguluhan. Bakit biglaan na lang pinalitan itong Senate President? Dapat naman, hindi naman binigla kaagad. Yung timing si Soto pa. Nako, alam natin, Duterte na naman ang lalabas sa bunganga niyan. Abangan natin yan kung anong plano nila. Kasi yung ibang mga senador kasi, hindi maipaliwanag ng maayos kung bakit sila pumirma. Nako, si Rapi Tulfo nyo, na-interview din. Hindi ko maintindihan kung anong dahilan niya. Kaya pumirma siya. At marami pang mga pumirma, 15 yata, para palitan si Senador Chis Escudero. Abangan natin kung tuloy-tuloy pa rin si Senator Rodante Marcoleta bilang chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Kung papalitan nila, ay alam na. Hanggang dito lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.